This is not just a planet. This is a patient, lying silent under scientific examination. Mars, cold, dry, scarred by time. Today, robotic explorers move carefully across its surface, scanning, drilling, analyzing, like surgeons in an operating room. Every rock is a sample. Every layer is a medical record of a world that may have once been alive. Look at these formations. The cracks in the soil, the mineral deposits, the sediment layers inside places like Jezero Crater. On Earth, these signs often form in the presence of water. And where water exists, life can begin. Scientists are searching for biosignatures, microscopic chemical traces that act like fingerprints of ancient organisms. Not fossils of dinosaurs, not alien creatures, but something far smaller, microbial life. If even a single confirmed biosignature is found, it would be the most important discovery in human history, because it would mean life is not exclusive to Earth. Every image you see has traveled millions of miles through space. Every data point is carefully studied in laboratories back home. Mars is silent. But under the lens of science, it's being diagnosed. The question is no longer, is Mars just a dead planet? The real question is, was it once alive? And if it was, what does that say about us? Mars Mysteries, Moon Secrets, Artemis Moon Mission Updates, only on Planet Alive. Subscribe, like, and share to stay connected to space.